Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving work and closing apps. This prevents file corruption. Once done, back up anything critical to an external drive or cloud so you can restore if needed. Next, open the Start menu and type Power, then choose Restart. Alternatively, press Alt plus F4 on the desktop and select Restart. Make sure you note any fabric-related device names in Device Manager now, because you may need them. After the reboot to verify drivers, reinitialize correctly. Once the system begins restarting, watch the boot sequence and look for errors. Press F8 or F12 if you need advanced boot options like Safe Mode. After you log back in, open Device Manager and locate the fabric adapter to check its status and driver version. If the device shows a warning or is missing, update the driver via Update Driver or reinstall the vendor package you saved earlier. This ensures the fabric stack is loaded cleanly and network fabrics return to normal operation. You finish by running simple diagnostics, ping fabric endpoints, check link lights, and confirm application connectivity. If problems persist, roll back the driver or perform a clean reinstall from the vendor package. This often fixes mismatched versions and corrupted installs. Make sure to reboot again after reinstalling so the kernel binds the correct modules. If you still see errors, boot into Safe Mode to remove or disable the faulty driver. Then reboot normally. That single troubleshooting step isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.